if you want to be able to create and share Python environments with their required dependencies and appropriate versions. In this quick tips episode, you will learn how. Keep watching! Hi there! I'm Manuel Gutierrez from thelighthouse.co, and in this quick tips series, I will share snackable videos focusing on just one feature or problem. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe and the bell notification buttons below so you don't miss a thing. Let's start! In this video, let's talk about what a Anaconda environment is and play a little bit with what you can do with them. Anaconda environments allow you to define and isolate Python and package versions required for a particular application to run. You can also export those dependencies using a file so that you can recreate and share them in other machines where your application should also run. Make sure you have Anaconda in your machine by going to anaconda.com and downloading and then installing the file from there. To see a list of your available Anaconda environments, open an Anaconda prompt terminal and type conda env list. Here, you will get a list of them with their names and locations inside your current user. You can also see an asterisk to identify what is the currently activated environment. To switch between or to activate another environment, simply type conda activate and then the environment's name. If I activate Unity Keras Transform, for example, you will see that it now shows on the left the name of the environment. And if we check the list of environments again, we should see that the asterisk has also changed to the activated environment. If you want to get a list of the dependencies that you explicitly installed from the active environment so that you can share and run your application on other platforms, you can run conda env export -- from history. You can also add a greater than symbol and then the name of the file, environment.yml file, if you want to create a file with those configurations. If you check the file we've just created, you will find the following: the name of the Anaconda environment, a set of channels configuring the locations for finding the packages to be downloaded, and then a list of dependencies with the name of the package to be installed and optionally a version. You can also create conda environments using a YAML file. So let's modify the file we created, change its name, and add, for example, pandas to the dependencies. Save, and then use conda env create -f environment.yml to create the environment. If you check the list of environments again, you should see a new environment there using the name that we specified on the environment.yml file. And finally, if you want to remove an Anaconda environment that you don't use anymore, just type conda remove --name followed by the name of the environment to delete, and then --all. Awesome! Congratulations and thanks for watching! You can join the free mini course associated with this video by clicking on the link in the description below. Share any comments or suggestions about the series or future topics. And if you like the video, also hit the like button below.